You believe we live in an era of total satellite coverage where not a single square meter of our planet remains hidden from the watchful digital eye.
But you are mistaken. Hidden right in plain sight, amidst the highest peaks on Earth, a technological ghost is watching every single breath of the atmosphere.
Welcome to the Apex Sentinels, a silent network of guardians perched upon the roof of the world, operating where gravity and nature defy the reach of man. While global sensors report empty space, these phantom stations are actively processing terabytes of data, invisible to the very systems they were designed to bypass.
In the silence of the high altitudes where oxygen is a luxury, the most advanced surveillance network in human history has been built in absolute secrecy.
Building at 8,000 meters is not just a physical challenge, it is an extreme battle against the fundamental laws of physics and human logistics. When every gram of weight must be accounted for, we utilize self-assembling honeycomb structures that offer maximum structural integrity with the lowest possible material mass. Small, autonomous boring machines bite deep into the mountain's heart, carving out pressurized sanctuaries where high-tech sensors can operate away from the freezing external elements. The logistics of the impossible require us to rewrite the rules of civil engineering, adapting machinery to function in thin air where traditional engines fail.
These arrays are not the massive dishes of the past. They are transparent, flat membranes that wrap around the mountain like a second digital skin. Secrecy does not lie in detection technology, but in the art of disappearance using nano-composite films that do not reflect waves but actually bend them. To remain hidden from infrared satellites, our liquid heat sinks neutralize every watt of thermal energy, making the base indistinguishable from the surrounding frozen rock.
A silent web of laser interlinks connects these peaks into a single unified data brain, sharing information at the speed of light across the continent.
Deep inside the rock lies a subterranean world designed for the long-term survival of the technicians who call this extreme isolation their only home.
The constant hum of high-density servers provides the heartbeat of the station, processing signals from low-orbit satellites passing thousands of kilometers overhead every hour. This is the home of the nameless Sentinels, men and women who trade the comfort of the lowlands for the absolute focus of the high peaks. Using the natural temperature gradient of the mountain, geothermal cooling systems maintain a perfect environment for the most sensitive quantum computers ever built. Why build here? Because from these heights there are no blind spots, the Apex Sentinels turn our planet into a transparent sphere of total awareness.
Every movement in the upper atmosphere is tracked, logged, and analyzed, creating a global shield that protects humanity from threats we cannot yet see.
As the sun rises, the truest success of our engineering is revealed. To the world, there is nothing here but ice, wind, and ancient stone. When you look at these mountains, you see emptiness. But in that silence lies the protection that maintains the balance of the modern world.
We are the quiet in the storm. We are the watchers in the dark. We are the Apex Sentinels, guarding the silence of the heights.
The supply chain for these stations is a miracle of timing and courage, where pilots fly on the edge of a stall to deliver essentials. Before the machines arrived, humans had to scout these locations on foot, battling frostbite and thin air to find the perfect tactical vantage points. Every component is hardened against cosmic radiation and extreme electromagnetic interference, ensuring that the network never goes offline, no matter the solar weather. Night after night, the stars witness the silent operation of a system that understands the language of the heavens better than any other machine. The human cost of isolation is managed with precision, ensuring that the minds behind the monitors remain sharp and resilient in the face of solitude. In a world of hypersonic threats, seconds matter. Our network provides the early warning window that could save millions of lives in an instant.
Entry points are disguised as natural fissures, accessible only to those who know the secret coordinates of the world's most secure mountain fortresses. Redundancy is built into every layer of the communication protocol, so even if one station falls, the network remains unbroken and fully operational.
Small comforts remind the Sentinels of the world below while they perform a duty that most of humanity will never even know exists. The wind provides energy through specialized high-altitude turbines, turning the very force that tries to destroy the base into its primary power source.
Every maintenance window is dictated by the weather, requiring crews to work with surgical precision during brief moments of calm in the storms.
Optical sensors utilize synthetic diamond lenses to withstand the abrasive force of wind-blown ice crystals while maintaining perfect clarity for long-range observation. The data they collect is relayed instantly to Global Command, providing a real-time picture of the orbital battlefield that was once impossible to see. From the Himalaya to the Andes, the GHOST network spans the globe, a silent witness to the history that unfolds in the lands below. On-site repairs are handled by sophisticated robotics, as the human hands are often too restricted by bulky thermal gear to perform delicate tasks. The command center is the brain of the mountain, where every byte of data is weighed and measured for its strategic importance to global security. Pressure is life. Inside these walls, the air is thick and rich, a stark contrast to the deathly thin atmosphere just inches away on the exterior. Self-cleaning surfaces ensure that snow and ice never accumulate on critical apertures, allowing the sensors to maintain an unobstructed view of the stars. Communication is key, yet these stations never broadcast on traditional frequencies, using narrow beam lasers to stay completely off the public airwaves. Like a digital handshake in the dark, the link is established and broken before any adversarial system can even detect the presence of a signal. Energy independence is non-negotiable. Massive solid-state battery banks store enough power to keep the station alive through months of total darkness and storms. Even the footprints of our arrival are erased by the wind and the clever design of retractable platforms that leave no trace behind. The human element remains the final filter, deciding which signals are anomalies and which are the silent approach of something far more dangerous. While the world sleeps in the valleys below, the Sentinels stand guard, providing the peace of mind that comes from knowing nothing goes unseen. Advanced geometry and metamaterials ensure that even the most powerful enemy radars receive only the reflection of empty air from these peaks. The architecture of the base is a marvel of tension and balance, designed to sway with the mountain's vibrations rather than resist them and break. Morale is maintained through high-quality living standards, proving that even in the most hostile place on Earth, dignity and comfort can still exist. Time moves differently here, measured in satellite passes and weather cycles rather than the rising and setting of a sun often hidden by clouds. Nature's fury is a constant companion, but the apex sentinels are built into the bedrock, safe from the sliding snow and the howling gales. Preparedness is the only religion here. Every technician is trained for every possible failure, knowing that help is often days or weeks away. Tracking the smallest fragments of space junk is a secondary mission, cleaning the orbital paths for the next generation of human space exploration. The personal sacrifices made by the crew are the foundation of the network's success, a commitment to a cause larger than any one individual. Scientific placement is everything. By utilizing the natural magnetic shielding of the planet, we achieve a level of signal purity that is unmatched elsewhere. Some systems are still mechanical, relying on the raw power of hydraulics and gears that can operate even when the digital systems are rebooted. In the clear, thin air, the universe reveals itself in a way that is impossible to see from the polluted skies of the cities below. Every drop of water is recycled with a 99% efficiency, making the station a closed-loop ecosystem that can survive indefinitely on its own. As one shift ends, another begins. The watch is eternal, a relay race of vigilance that has been running since the first stone was carved. The transition from night to day is the most dangerous time when shadows shift and the heat of the sun begins to stress the materials. The interface is intuitive, designed to let the human mind focus on the patterns within the data rather than the mechanics of the machine itself. The GHOST network is also a window to the cosmos, doubling as a deep space observatory when the tactical requirements of the mission allow for it. Innovation is constant. The network is always evolving, adding new capabilities and more powerful sensors to stay ahead of the technology of our rivals. Every step outside is a mission. Even a simple walk to a nearby sensor node requires the same level of planning as a spacewalk. Fresh food is a psychological anchor, a taste of the green world that exists thousands of meters below this desolate mountain desert of ice. Commercial aviation relies on a level of safety that is bolstered by the silent monitoring of these stations, ensuring no flight ever truly disappears. The chemistry of the coolant is a trade secret, a fluid that remains liquid even at temperatures that would freeze the very air we breathe. Beauty is the reward for the hardship. The crew sees things that no one else on Earth will ever witness, moments of pure, unadulterated natural power. The infrastructure is rugged, built to survive for decades without the need for major overhaul. A testament to the endurance of modern high-tech engineering. Security is not just physical, it is digital. The encryption used by the Sentinels is a quantum-proof shield that keeps the data safe from prying eyes. Manual maintenance is the final fallback. When the automated systems are overwhelmed by the ice, the crew must step out into the freezing void. In this vastness, the stations are like grains of sand, impossible to find without the key, making them the ultimate strategic assets for global defense. They do it for the families they left behind, ensuring that the world they return to is as safe and stable as the one they left. Micro-drones act as the eyes and ears of the base's perimeter, detecting any unauthorized approach long before it becomes a threat to the station's security. The stations also serve as the most advanced meteorological nodes on the planet, providing data that allows for the prediction of extreme weather events. Every compartment is a life raft, capable of being sealed off in case of a breach, ensuring the survival of the rest of the facility. Some things are still kept on paper, a physical record of the human experience in a world dominated by digital signals and invisible data streams. Physical health is a requirement for service. The heart must be strong to handle the constant stress of living at the edge of the habitable world. The seamless transition between nodes ensures that no target is ever lost, no matter how fast it travels across the curve of the Earth. It is a life of quiet reflection and intense duty, a combination that creates a unique breed of soldier-engineer dedicated to the silence of the peaks. The fog is our friend, a natural cloak that adds another layer of invisibility to a system already designed to be the ghost of the mountains. The laser links are the backbone of our communication, transmitting data at a density that traditional radio waves could never hope to achieve in air. The connection to the world below is fragile but vital, a reminder of what they are fighting to protect from their silent mountain perches. From the Andes to the Alps, the network is a global achievement, a collaboration of technology and human spirit that transcends national borders and politics. Every adjustment is critical. A fraction of a millimeter can be the difference between a perfect signal and a lost opportunity in the vastness of space. In these rare moments of calm, the beauty of the high-altitude environment is breathtaking. A silent reward for the endless days of extreme labor. Rest is essential. The mind must be clear to handle the massive influx of data that defines every waking moment of their long and difficult tours. The longevity of the machines is a miracle of materials science designed to function for decades in the most abrasive and corrosive environment on the planet. From here, the world looks small and precious, a fragile oasis in the vast dark of the universe that is worth every effort to defend. They track the shadows of the sky, identifying the unknown and ensuring that no surprise ever reaches the peaceful lands that lie far beneath their feet. Even the power of a storm is harnessed and redirected, protecting the sensitive electronics from the massive surges that would destroy any lesser surveillance facility. The psychological isolation is real, but it is tempered by the knowledge that their work is the foundation of global stability and the safety of millions. The electronics are entombed in protective polymers, making them immune to the humidity and the extreme pressure changes that define life at these extreme altitudes. Each verification is a victory, a successful identification in a sea of noise, proving the power of the Ghost Network to see what others cannot. Unmanned logistics are the lifeblood of the high peaks, delivering vital components and medical supplies without risking the lives of human pilots in the storms. The day ends, but the mission continues, a seamless transition into the night watch that defines the rhythm of life for the Sentinels of the Heights. Every exit is a calculated risk, a journey into a world that wants to freeze the blood in your veins and steal the breath from your lungs. In the small details, the beauty of the mountain is revealed, a stark contrast to the massive scale and power of the surveillance technology it hides. To those without the code, it is just a wall of stone. To us, it is a gateway to the most sophisticated network ever built by man. Precision is the language they speak, a commitment to accuracy that ensures the Ghost Network is always the most reliable source of information for global command. In the deep of the night, the mountains are at their most beautiful and their most deadly, a world of ice and shadows that we call home. Every click is a data point, every data point is a story, and every story is a piece of the puzzle that we solve every single day. Information is the currency of the modern world, and the Ghost Network is the most secure and efficient bank for that information in existence today. They are far from home,
but they are closer to the truth than anyone else, seeing the world as it truly is from their unique and lonely perspective.
Our partners in the sky rely on our ground-based precision, a synergy of technology that bridges the gap between the Earth and the infinite reaches of space.
The strength of the network is the strength of its weakest link, which is why we ensure that every single bolt and wire is perfect before deployment. The mountain is alive, always shifting and changing, and the Apex Sentinels are designed to live in harmony with that constant, powerful movement of nature.
They are the guardians of the high places, the men and women who sacrifice everything to ensure that the silence of the mountains is never truly broken. The mission is never over, only passed from one hand to the next, a legacy of vigilance that will continue for as long as the world needs protecting.
As a new day begins, we remain. We are the ghost in the machine, the watcher in the wind, and the shield that guards the world from above. Look at these mountains. You will see nothing, and that is our greatest achievement. The silence that protects is the silence that remains unbroken forever. We are the Apex Sentinels. We are the guardians of the roof of the world. We are the silence that allows the rest of the world to dream. Sentinel-1 active, status invisible. The network is alive, the watch is set, and the world is safe under our silent, eternal mountain vigil.